Oracle Cloud Cost Accounting. Hi, I'm Linus, and in today's video you will learn about the very important concept of cost profiles, item cost profiles, default cost profiles, and how they are connected in Oracle Cloud. So let's get started. First, what is a cost profile in Oracle Cloud ERP? Cost profiles enable the system to understand how to cost your different inventory transactions, and they contain the information about the cost method and the granularity on which we calculate our item cost, so what we call valuation structure. So these are cost profiles. The second thing is the item cost profile. So what is the difference? The item cost profile basically tells the system what cost profile to use specific to this cost organization and book, and then this item, as the name says. I know it's not that easy to keep them apart because they're all named pretty much the same, but it's very important to understand that the cost profile is just a set of values, and the item cost profile is then specific to this item in this cost organization and book. And the third are default cost profiles. So what are default cost profiles in Oracle Cloud ERP? Default cost profiles are a cost organization and cost book specific set of conditions that tell the system what item cost profile to create for new items that you create in your system by default. So you don't have to maintain all of these manually. Now the big question: what is the relationship between these cost profiles, default cost profiles, and item cost profiles? First, we have the general cost profiles. I really simplified it here, and we say cost profile X has the actual cost method assigned to it. Now we have the default cost profiles that say in this cost organization and in this cost book for this item category, use cost profile X. And then we have the item cost profiles that say in this cost organization and cost book, this item uses cost profile X. So what the default cost profile does is it's referring to the cost profile X, and it auto creates a new item cost profile whenever a new item in the system is created that matches the cost org, cost book, and item category that we have predefined in this specific set of rules. I know that seems like a lot, but the good news in understanding this here is that whenever you're in the system and you want to create a new item, you can just check out the default cost profile for the category that you want to create the item in, and then you will know exactly what of an item cost profile the system will create for you, and that also means that you will know what cost method will be assigned to this item. So this is very important to understand. If you're watching this free cost accounting course here on paname.com, you will see me doing this, checking the default cost profiles multiple times throughout the next training videos. So make sure that you really understand this concept before proceeding to the next one. And as always, if you need my personalized help, feel free to reach out to me directly using the link below.